Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hansen Pretty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on activity status on your rednote. So if you want to know how to turn on activity status on your rednote, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. You may be asking, what is activity status? Activity status is a sign that shows that you are active, like you are online on rednote. So if you want your followers, your friends, and everybody to know that you are online on rednote, sit tight and learn how to do it. So all you need to do here is to log in your rednote account. On your rednote, just like this, you see the trail line on the top left corner of your screen. Click on the trail line. Once you click on that, you can see the setting icon on the bottom of your screen. You click on the setting icon. Once you click on the setting, you will see privacy settings. Click on privacy settings. Then on your privacy settings here, you can see the activity status. Click on activity status. Here you can see friends visible to followers. I followed back. Off, close activity status, public, visible to all. Everyone can see that you are active, you are online on rednote. Click on that. So guys, that's it. You have turned on your activity status on rednote. If you found this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.